story of Tagbanwa people fighting to protect their land in Palawan made me feel both sad and hopeful. It's heartbreaking to see how mining can harm their unique environment and way of life, but it's inspiring to see them fight back and protect their home. It's a huge problem that mining for renewable energy is damaging nature. We need to find better solutions that respect indigenous people, protect the environment, and still meet our needs. It's important to help indigenous communities with things like farming so they don't have to rely on mining. Protecting nature and respecting indigenous rights are connected. The Tagbanwa are just one example of indigenous people fighting to protect their land. We need to listen and support their efforts. The Tagbanwa are showing us that we can fight for what's right. We need to change how we think about energy and development so that it doesn't harm people or the planet. Supporting indigenous communities means respecting their rights, protecting their land, and creating a future where people and nature can thrive.